In a family home, we found ugee Funbox, built for safe, easy creativity. He's wondering how to beat this monster. No coding, no complicated setup. Just draw it. AI brings it to life in seconds. One tap and printing begins. Fast printing, less waiting. Fully enclosed, dual layer filtration for cleaner air. UL Green Guard certified, made for peace of mind. Easy enough for kids to do on their own. The battleship is ready. Want more? Explore the model library. One tap. Hundreds of models. No adult help needed at all. Kids create, parents relax. Imagine it. Create it. Safe and easy with ugee Funbox.